Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing well and having a wonderful day. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. On this channel, we share simple and natural hair care recipes that you can easily make at home using affordable ingredients. Today's recipe is one of my favorite natural hair treatment because it is very simple, yet many people have added to their weekly hair care routine. We are going to be making a powerful hair growth spray. This spray is made with only 2 natural ingredients, but they are packed with nutrients that can help improve the health of your scalp and your hair. If your hair have been breaking easily, your edges are becoming thinner, your hair feels dry all the time, your scalp is itchy or full of dandruff, or if your hair seems like it has stopped growing, then this recipe may be worth adding to your routine. Now, I always like to remind everyone that no natural remedy can grow your hair overnight. Hair grows slowly. For most people, hair grows about half an inch every month. So if someone promise that your hair will grow 6 inches in 1 week, that is simply not true. Natural ingredients work best when you use them consistently and when you also take good care of your hair. That means keeping your scalp clean, avoiding too much heat, reducing breakage, eating healthy food, drinking enough water, and protecting your hair while sleeping. Think of this way as something that helps create a healthier environment for your hair to grow. Healthy hair always starts with a healthier scalp. This is why today's ingredients are so special. Before we start making this spray, let's understand why each ingredient is good for our hair. When you understand what each ingredient does, you will know exactly what you are using and what result you can expect. And if you enjoy learning about natural ways to grow your hair, reduce hair fall, stop breakage, and keep your scalp healthy, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you never miss any of our new videos. Our first ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed may look very small, but they are full of nutrients that benefit both your scalp and your hair. For many years, people in different parts of the world have used fenugreek in cooking as well as in natural beauty treatments. Many families have passed down fenugreek hair recipe from one generation to another because they have seen how helpful it can be when used regularly. One of the reasons fenugreek is so popular is because it contains protein. Why is protein important? Our hair is mostly made from a protein called keratin. Every single strand of hair on your head depends on protein to stay strong. When hair becomes weak, it begins to snap easily. You may notice short broken hair on your comb, your pillow, or your clothes. Sometimes many people think their hair is not growing, but the truth is that their hair is growing from the scalp. The problem is that it keeps breaking before they notice the length. This is called length rotation. Your hair may grow every month, but if it breaks at the same speed, it will never appear longer. That is why reducing breakage is just as important as growing new hair. Fenugreek can also support stronger hair strands, making them less likely to break during washing, combing, or styling. Another important nutrient found in fenugreek is iron. Iron is important because it helps your blood carry oxygen around your body. Your hair follicles also need oxygen to stay healthy. Hair follicles are the tiny opening in your scalp where each strand of hair grows. If your scalp is healthy and your follicles receive enough oxygen and nutrients, your hair have a better chance of growing well. Before we continue, I would love to hear from you. Have you ever used fenugreek on your hair? Did you make a spray, hair mask, or hair oil? Share your experience in the comment below because your story might help someone else who is thinking about trying it. Also, if you are learning something new so far, don't forget to like this video. It really supports the channel and helps more people discover those natural hair care tips. Our second ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary has become one of the most popular herbs in the natural hair care community. Many people use it in hair oils, hair rinse, shampoos, conditioner, and hairspray because of the many ways it supports healthier hair. Just like fenugreek, rosemary is not a magic ingredient that grows hair overnight. However, when used regularly as part of a healthy hair care routine, it can help improve the condition of your scalp and support healthy hair growth. Let's take a closer look at why rosemary has become a favorite ingredient for so many people. One of the biggest reasons people use rosemary is because it helps improve blood circulation to the scalp. But what does that really mean? Think about your scalp like a garden. If you want flowers or vegetables to grow well, the soil must receive enough water and nutrients. The same idea applies to your scalp. Your hair follicles need oxygen and nutrients to stay healthy. These nutrients are carried by your blood. When blood flows well around the scalp, the hair follicles receive what they need to produce healthy hair. This is why many people include rosemary in their hair care routine. A healthier scalp creates a better environment for hair to grow. Another reason people love rosemary is because it helps reduce excessive shedding. It is normal to lose some hair every day. However, if you notice large amount of hair falling out every time you comb your hair, wash your hair, or touch your hair, it might be a sign that your hair needs extra care. Many people say that after using rosemary consistently for several weeks, they notice less hair falling. This may not happen overnight. Natural hair care requires patience. The key is consistency. Using your rosemary spray once and expecting a miracle the next day will lead to disappointment. Good hair care is like taking care of a plant. You water it regularly, you give it sunlight, you continue caring for it. Slowly you begin to see healthy growth. Now let's talk about why these two ingredients work so well together. Fenugreek focuses on adding moisture, reducing breakage, and making the hair easier to manage. Rosemary focuses on supporting a healthy scalp and creating a better environment for healthy hair growth. When you combine them, you are caring for both the hair strand and the scalp at the same time. Think of it this way: fenugreek helps protect the hair you already have. Rosemary helps support the scalp where new hair grows. Together, they make an excellent team. This is one reason why many people enjoy using these two ingredients together in a hairspray. Another advantage is that this spray feels light. Unlike heavy oils, it does not leave a thick, greasy layer on your hair. It's easy to spray on the scalp, especially if you wear braids, twists, or wig. It can also be used to refresh your hair between wash days. I would like to ask you a question. Which natural ingredient have worked best for your hair? Is it rosemary or fenugreek, or another favorite ingredient? Let me know in the comment below. Your experience might help someone who is looking for a natural solution. And if you are enjoying this detailed explanation so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's make our spray. For this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed, 2 tablespoons of rosemary, 1.5 cup of warm water, a clean jar or bowl, a strainer, and a spray bottle. Take your clean jar or bowl, add the fenugreek seed, next add the rosemary, pour in your warm water. The water should be warm, not boiling. Close the jar or bowl tightly. Leave the mixture to soak for 8 to 12 hours. Many people like to prepare it at night and straight in the morning. During the soaking time, the water slowly absorbs many of the helpful nutrients from the herbs. After soaking, strain the liquid into a clean bowl. If your hair is dry, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix everything well. Finally, pour the liquid into your spray bottle. Your homemade hair growth recipe is ready. Shake the bottle gently before every use, especially if you add olive oil. Spray the mixture directly onto your scalp. Make sure the scalp is lightly wet with your spray. Then spray a little on the length of your hair. Use your fingertips to gently massage your scalp for about 3 to 5 minutes. This massage helps improve blood circulation and allow the ingredient to spread evenly. You can use this spray 2 to 3 times every week. If you wear braid or protective style, you can still spray it directly onto your scalp to keep it moisturized and refreshed. Store the spray inside the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 7 days. After 1 week, throw away any leftover spray and make a fresh batch. Natural hair care takes time, so be patient and stay consistent. This fenugreek and rosemary spray is not magic, but with regular use, together with a healthy hair routine, can help improve scalp health, reduce breakage, keep the hair moisturized, and support stronger, healthier hair growth. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this recipe with someone who is looking for a simple natural hair care treatment. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye.